Lifespan Concealed Clip-In Bracket. For a clean, polished look when installing a lifespan beam vertically or horizontally, the Concealed Clip-In Bracket kit delivers functionality and style in one simple solution. Each kit includes a powder-coated, galvanized wall mount and metal beam insert that fits perfectly into the hollow chambers of the lifespan beam for a secure hold. Simply follow these steps for a professional installation. Step 1. Mark, drill, and install wall mount. Unfold the box to reveal the included template. Position it where your beam will be installed, ensuring enough clearance for installation. Mark your holes through the template and choose the right fastener for your substrate. The Z-point clip screw is provided in each of the bracket kits. Drill your holes and fix the wall mount to your substrate using the existing holes and selecting Z-point screws. For the 150 by 50 mm mount, choose between 2 x 8.2 mm or 4 by 4.2 mm holes. For the 100 by 30 mm mount, use the 2 by 4.2 mm holes. Keep fastener heads under 8 mm in diameter and 7 mm high for proper clipping clearance. Step 2. Prepare the beam. Cut your beam to length, allowing for an extra 11 mm on each side for the brackets. Slide the beam insert into the cavity at both ends, then fasten it through the beam using your chosen fastener. Pre-drill if fixing to steel and use a suitable drill torque setting to protect your bit and fastener. Step 3. Mount the beam. Slide the beam into place, ensuring it's perpendicular and fully clipped in. If it unclips easily, adjust the central tab outwards. Where required, mark around the wall mount with tape, then apply sealant to the internal corners. Once fully clipped in, wipe away excess sealant and remove the tape. You have now completed installation. With Lifespan's concealed clip-in bracket, you get a strong, secure beam installation with no visible fixings for a professional finish every time.